All right, welcome into the Ute Weather Center. Today is Wednesday, September 21st, and we're going to be doing a weather briefing. So, looking at the lows from last night, we saw them dip into the 50s and 60s, a bit on the warm side for this time of year, and that's mainly because of the southerly winds ahead of this big cold front we've been talking about that's going to be affecting the region for the next 3 days or so. Now, our current temperatures in the 70s, 75 on campus, and 80 degrees there in Bountiful. So pretty comfortable in the 70s, mid to upper 70s throughout the valley. Now, looking here on the webcam, you can see evidence of that cold front making its way into the region. Pretty thick layer of clouds there that are coming in, and there's actually some thunderstorms and pretty heavy rain embedded inside this as it approaches Salt Lake. Now, here looking from the satellite, you can see it there, northwest Utah and central Nevada. If you look, pretty nice stretch of clouds there, all the way from central California to northwest Utah. And if you look carefully, there's also another factor here that's going to make this storm so wet and powerful. Is there? If you look on the border of California and Arizona, there's kind of a streak of white that makes its way from the Baja of California all the way out to central Utah, and that is some of the remnants and leftover moisture from Hurricane Paine that was down in Mexico that's being brought into the area before this cold front even makes it to the region. So looking here, you can see it a little better. The cold front up and to the left, those clouds there in northwest Utah, and then that kind of streak of southerly winds in southern Utah bringing up that moist air. And so why this is important is the atmosphere is going to be a bit more moist than it typically would ahead of the storm, so it's going to make for quite a bit of rain that's going to fall for the next couple days. And as you can see here on the radar, already picking up some pretty heavy rain, pretty high values falling there. And so we're going to see this band of rain make its way into Davis County and northern Salt Lake County, and it's going to kind of stall out before it makes full passage tomorrow. So we're going to see our heaviest amounts of rain and wind associated with this come on Thursday and Friday, so tomorrow and Friday. Now, our Valley UCast for today, again, calling for those thunderstorms late tonight. Won't affect our temperatures too much today. We'll be reaching 80 and 84 downtown, 82 in Bountiful. So pretty warm still today, but we will see quite a swing in temperatures as this cold front makes its way. And also with this mountain snow, we could see snow fall around 7,000 feet. Most of it will be accumulating around 8,000 feet and higher, but that won't be happening until Friday and Friday afternoon when we see some cooler air make its way into the region. Now, the other note here is that we're going to be about 30 degrees cooler on Friday from what we were today. And you can see that here in the 5-day, 81 degrees high today. Friday, just a high of 49. So we're going to see those thunderstorms Thursday, mostly rain, maybe some lightning and thunder on Friday, but mostly just rain. We could see a grand total, a storm total of about an inch plus. Some places could pick up to 2 inches or more with this storm. That's mainly north of Salt Lake, but here in Salt Lake, I would say we're going to see about an inch or more of rain out of this storm that's going to be coming through. And then Saturday and Sunday warming up as the storm exits the region.